everybody! Welcome to another video. Today we will be drawing a super cute Christmas tree.
Yeah, exciting. So all you need is some paper, something to draw with. Yeah, something to colour in with.
Yeah.
So I hope you follow along and have lots of fun. You ready to get started?
Yeah!
Okay, let's draw a Christmas tree. Alright, so we've got our paper here, and I think first of all we're going to start at the top.
The star.
Yeah, so normally you've got to start at the top. Sometimes you have a little angel or something else, but
yeah.
I think most trees have a star. So let's draw a star. So all it is kind of 5 sort of triangles, shapes joined together to make a nice star. Or you can have 6-sided star or 7. It's up to you. Alrighty, there we go. Now I might, I'm just going to put a little face on it. Actually, I think that's nice. Just 2 little dots like that, and just a little mouth like that. So that's already looking pretty cute. Yours is good too. Alright, so now let's draw the tree. Now we're going to draw a Christmas tree. So normally it's a pine tree, and it's kind of a triangle shape. So it's thin at the top and goes wider at the bottom. So we're going to draw these nice little curves like this. And it hooks around like that. It's kind of a backwards J. And then the next one, we start in right in the middle there, and it kind of overlaps a little bit like that. And that gives it some depth and shape as well. So I think we'll do 3 on this side, and we'll do another one on this side. Now this tree here, because we're making it cute, we're making it a little bit wider than normal, because that makes it look cuter, but you can make it any shape you like. Right, and then down the bottom here, so that's the bottom of the tree, we're just going to draw a whole bunch of big U's all joined together. So that's the bottom of the tree there. Again, if you make it nice and round, it makes it look cute. You can make them all different shapes and sizes. You can keep it a little bit random to make it look interesting. There, like that. Wow, that's pretty good. Alright, so the next part I'm going to do in the tree is we're going to show a little bit of the tree trunk. Yeah, that's right. Because it doesn't just float in the air. Yeah. So all we're going to do is do 2 little lines like this. Yeah, it kind of looks like legs at the moment. But what we'll do is we'll draw a curved line here like that. And that's the bottom of the tree, or the tree trunk there. Alright, so now let's decorate the tree. I think I'm going to put another face on the tree itself. So I'm going to draw 2 circles in here for the eyes, and I like to draw another little circle in the eye, so it looks like there's light reflecting off the eye. And you can do the eyes quite low on the tree, so it gives you lots of space to add other decorations.
Sometimes I like doing 2, sometimes I like doing 1, sometimes I like doing 3.
Yeah, that's cool. And then we can draw a little face. We're already drawing a face. We can draw the mouth.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to draw a big smiley face. Like that. He's a happy tree. It's Christmas. Alright, so that's the tree. Now, the fun part is we can add some decorations to the tree.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, you can draw eyelashes as well. So now this is what you can do, all sorts of things. Maybe you want to draw some Christmas ornaments. You can just draw circles there, those little Christmas balls. Maybe you want to draw a little candy cane. Like that. Or what else would you have? Oh, maybe a little gingerbread man.
Or fairy lights.
Yeah. Like that. So just think about what you have on your Christmas tree, and then you can just do the same decorations as well. Maybe you've got fairy lights, you can put that in there. If you've got tinsel or other decorations, you can do that. So So now we've finished drawing our Christmas tree, and the next part is to colour in.
We're back, everybody.
Yeah, we finished colouring in, and I think they look really great. Yeah, I've just made mine very colourful, as Christmas trees are, so just think about all the different colours that you normally put on a tree, you can put them on your Christmas tree drawing. And I've added a few other little highlights in there, and some details you can see. I've added some little lines there so it looks like some of the leaves on the Christmas tree. And what have you done with yours?
I put shadows and I said Merry Christmas.
Yeah, that's really cool. And your star is really bright, so it's nice and shining, and you've got your Christmas lights in there as well, so it's pretty awesome. Now the other cool thing that you can do with this is you can actually, if you ask a parent, you can actually cut this out with some scissors, and then if you can actually maybe with some sellotape, or you can punch a little hole in the top, you can attach a ribbon or string, and then you can hang it in your tree as a Christmas decoration. Wouldn't that be cool, having a Christmas tree decoration in your Christmas tree? Yeah, I think so. Well, there we go. So I hope you followed along and had lots of fun. I know we had lots of fun. Yeah, and check out our channel. We've got lots of other Christmas drawing videos for you to enjoy. So have a look at those. Otherwise, have a Merry Christmas.
Bye. Merry Christmas.